How to reset and reprogram your Genie garage door opener after a power outage. Step 1. Unplug the opener and disconnect the wall console wires. Terminals 1 and 2. Orange clip. Step 2. Plug it back in. Step 3. Clear remote codes. Press and hold the Learn button until the red LED stops flashing. Then release. Step 4. Reset travel limits. Simultaneously press and hold both set buttons for 10 seconds until the LED blinks 3 times. Step 5. Re-establish door limits. Use the down arrow to close the door gently to the ground, then press and hold the down set button for 10 seconds. Use the up arrow to raise the door 4 inches below the motor head, then press and hold the upset button for 10 seconds. Step 6. Reconnect wall console wires. If no light shows on the console, swap terminals. Step 7. Test door operation using the wall console. If it works, you will need to reprogram remote's keypad. How to reprogram remote controls. Step 1. Press and release the opener's Learn button. The LED will blink. Step 2. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the remote button until the opener responds, blinks or clicks. Step 3. Test your remote. Repeat for additional remotes or keypad.